channel at i-click ang inyong icon. At kung wala pa kayong YouTube Studio, ay mag-install kayo ng YouTube Studio sa inyong mga computer o sa inyong mga cellphone. Dahil ito ang gagamitin natin para makapag-blur tayo ng ating mga video sa YouTube. Click nyo lang ang YouTube Studio. Matatagpuan sa bandang kanan ng inyong channel after na ma-click nyo ang inyong icon o yung inyong profile. At dito nyo makikita ang ating mga videos. Ang dashboard ng YouTube Studio. Click the content sa bandang left side. Ito. Click nyo lang itong content para makita ninyo ang inyong mga i-edit o i-blur na videos. Kagaya nito ang aking video na huli, ang how to YouTube salary of small YouTuber. Click nyo lang ito, yung inyong video. Then, makikita nyo sa bandang kaliwa, after na lumabas ang inyong video, ang editor. This is the YouTube editor. Click this one. YouTube editor. After clicking, lalabas ngayon dito ang ating YouTube video editor. Makikita nyo dito yung YouTube ninyo. Video editor, templates. Ito yung discard changes and save. You will notice na ito, naka-highlighted pa ito ng gray. Naka-gray highlight pa. Or wala pa. Parang naka-blur pa siya. And then, scroll down. Makikita nyo dito yung mga YouTube editing tools natin. Meron dito sa taas, trim. You know guys, pwede nyo ring i-trim ang inyong mga video. At pwede rin itong lagyan ng ad breaks, lagyan ng audio o music. I-click yung mga videos ninyo, ad breaks, iba-blur, and end screen. Pwedeng gawin dito lahat yan sa video editor. So since na we are going to blur parts of your video na ayaw nyo ipakita or mayroon kayong gustong takpan or censored na bahagi, i-click ninyo itong plus sign, add blur. So, meron ditong choices, dalawa, face blur and custom blur. So, since na ang gusto nyong takpan, halimbawa ay custom blur o yung mga parts na mga link na ayaw nyo makita at baka ma-hack, i-click nyo itong custom blur. Pag i-click nyo yung custom blur, makikita nyo ito, magiging kulay blue na siya. And then, you have choices here sa blur, whether you like a rectangle or oval. So, in my case, kung gusto ko rectangle blur, ito magiging shape niya. So, i-click natin yung rectangle blur or oval. So, kapag oval, makikita nyo ito magiging shape niya. Ayan. So, siguro gusto ko muna i-try itong rectangle. Ito yung rectangle natin. So, kapag ini-click nyo itong rectangle blur, pwede nyo na itong i-customize yung shape at yung height niya. Whether you like it long or short. So, you can drag this anywhere you want within the video. So, let's say for example, gusto kong takpan yung pintuan sa gilid. Yan. So, I will make it taller. And ilalagay ko dito. So, yun ang gusto kong takpan, yung pintuan sa gilid. Para hindi makita, no? Yan. So, makikita nyo yan, nandyan na, nakapwesto na siya. So, fix na siya dyan. So, itong ating slider dito, pwede ninyong, since na nag-start siya dito, so, hindi ko na ito i-move. Pero kung mag-start siya in between here, you may move your slider. Here, let's say for example here, so you can move your blurring tools here. And then you can move this start. Where are you going to start? So it depends upon your computer when it is when it can handle the move that you want. So if you want to move the slider here, you can, since I want to start with the beginning here, and I want to cover the door here this side, so I will start from the beginning here, and then it ends here, from here to this part. Maybe I will adjust. Okay, wait. I will adjust here. Yeah. Then if you want to move this one here, you can move it here by using this slider. Okay. If you are satisfied with the result, let's see here. Ito yung ating Google AdSense. Yan. You can track your... So, I want another one here. So that the door will be covered. Sa loob. I will add another blur tool here in this part. So, what I am going to do is to click additional blur here, add blur. Custom blur. And it will add another blurring tool like this one here. So, I will move it here. And then resize it. From there and up to this part. And then I will move. Yeah, this is good. Since I want to start it there. This part. Yeah, maybe this so I will adjust, and from this part, so I will adjust this and that part. Okay, and then when I am satisfied with the blurring tool, it's okay now. I am ready now to save this. So I will save it. Click save. And then save changes. The original version of your video is stored when you save, so you can undo your edits later. So it will be saved, and if you are not satisfied, you can edit it again. It might take a few hours for your changes to apply. During that time, viewers will see the current version of the video. you won't be able to make other changes to the video. And while you wait, you can leave this site. Okay? So I will save this. So I am advising you guys to make your video unlisted or to make it private while you are doing this blur so that others can see your video while the video is in progress or the blur is in progress. So your private or your censored part of your video will not be shown to the public. So after this, you are now ready to have you can close this and you are now ready to have another video working or editing, but you cannot make another changes from this video. What maybe in another video. So you will close this part. Video is being processed. Please check back later. So you can go to another part of your video or open another browser. Click YouTube. And then go to your channel again.